Today is going to be an amazing class, which is an introductory aspect of the Microsoft Digital Literacy classes. And as you all see in our flyers, we are going to take a lot of time to teach you on how to go about knowing the basic of computer, knowing the basic of cloud computing as well. And this cloud computing, actually, we are not going to dive deeply into cloud computing because cloud computing is a course on its own. What we are going to do basically is how to use maybe Google Drive, how to use Dropbox, and their likes. Basically, how to save your documents, videos, files on the cloud storage platform. So aside that module, we are going to look at Microsoft Word, we are going to look at Microsoft Excel, we are going to look at presentation, which is Microsoft PowerPoint, and we are going to look at the introductory aspect of internet and as well online safety. This internet as well is a course on its own, and we are not going to discuss it deeply. We are going to give you an introductory aspect of it so that you have an insight of how the internet works, how communication is being carried out on the internet space. And likewise, the online safety is also a course on its own, which we virtually know as the cyber security. So this cyber security as well is a course on its own. But what we are going to do in this module or in this package is to introduce you to cyber security, the basic, how to protect your endpoints, how to be safe in the cyberspace, how to know the moves of hackers, how to understand the phishing tools. All these are kind of tools and ideology used by hackers on the internet. We are going to open your mind to understand those kind of strategy in order to protect yourself on the internet. Basically, what we do for some of you maybe that are familiar with ICDL. Let me share my screen. For those of you that are familiar with ICDL, this training we are going to use ICDL curriculum. ICDL is International Driver's License. So this International Driver's License is a comprehensive training that is internationally recognized. And if you take the examination, you will be globally recognized and as an ICT person. So a few minutes, let me kind of, ICT Academy, Microsoft Digital Literacy. So you see, these are the modules we are going to look at. ICT in education. This one is ICT in education, but we are going to make it in a way that will address both education, our day-to-day activities, our day-to-day activities. Likewise, we are going to look at the let me open the file so that you see the modules. So this one is module 1 or lesson 1. So everything we are going to do here is going to be ICT. We are going to use the ICDL curriculum, which is internationally recognized, and this is all the objectives, what you are supposed to learn at the end of the day, the review, the assessment, everything is going to be taught in this course, one after the other, without taking much of our time. Let me also uh, explore the other modules, which is the IT security. This one is the IT security we refer to online safety. So you see this one too, we are going to use the ICDL curriculum. This is the module. Actually, ICDL has the basic module, intermediate, and advanced, which this IT security fall between the intermediate module. So we are going to do a kind of quiz, maybe each at the end of each module, so that we can access your understanding of what we are going to, what we have teach you at the end of at the end of each module. So this one also, we are going to, you are going to see the types of data threats, cyber crime, criminals, which are hackers, as I stated earlier. And shapes of cybercrime, as I told you earlier, you see how theft of personal data is being carried out, copyright infringement, fraud, child pornography, cyber talking. This cyber talking is also referred to cyber stalking, because that's what the Constitution recognized. This cyberbullying also. These are all the kind of uh, uh, um, tools, or these are kind of topics we are going to uh, treat with you in the course. So this one, okay, this one is how long you are supposed to use your password. Uh, yeah, let's look at other modules. Okay, this one we have up to lesson 6 for IT security. So also we have the presentation, which is Microsoft PowerPoint. In the Microsoft PowerPoint also, we are going to use the ICDL curriculum. You see, all these are kind of, okay, as well. The presentation is intermediate module in the ICDL curriculum. So we are going to also take quiz after at the end of this presentation, and as well for those of you that will be taking the online course, you should have at least Microsoft Office 2013 installed in your computer, because all the practicals we are going to do with you, we are going to actually do it with Microsoft 2013 and above. Presently, I have Microsoft 2016 on my system. So I know with me is going to be another great personality, a very good person in this industry. Is going to take you on this Microsoft presentation, and Microsoft Word, and spreadsheet, which is Excel. So on this presentation, we have up to 15 lessons. So we are going to take our time to actually take lesson by lesson, so that we ensure you learn every module before we step to other module. And what we are going to do basically is going to be practical days. So as we are teaching the theoretical aspects, we are also carrying out the practical, so that you understand you understand the whole lesson much better. So this one too is our spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is the Microsoft Excel. So in the Microsoft Excel also, we are using the ICDL curriculum. It has up to uh, it has up to 15 lessons as well. You see this one, you see how the cells, you see the ribbon tabs, the formula tab, everything about Microsoft Excel is going to be discussed in this training package. So also for Microsoft Word, which is word processing. The general name is word processing. When you say Microsoft Word, it meaning we are going to use Microsoft application to carry out this training. We have a lot of Microsoft word processing application in the internet, but which the one that is commonly in use is the uh, Microsoft Office. So also you see we are using the the ICDL module to teach the Microsoft also. You see, we are going to discuss the quick access bar, the ribbon, display option, how to minimize, how to maximize, how to close, and the cursor, the content area, status bar, how you can zoom your slide, how you can view a different mode of the document you are working on, etc. So we are going to discuss a lot about Microsoft. We're going to discuss a lot about Microsoft Word. So, so I think these are the 5 modules we are going to discuss in this training. The cloud computing actually falls under the ICT in education, but as I stated earlier, this the nomenclature shouldn't be a, a kind of thing to worry. We are going to take the training to tally with regardless of your working environment or regardless of your profession, and you are going to actually benefit from this course. Actually, if you it's what paying for. So at least what we are charging is even a token compared to what others are charging in this kind of packages. Um, I know what other big organizations are paying for us to go and deliver this kind of training. Recently, we have carried out this kind of training in the Federal Polytechnic Ilaron, Federal Polytechnic Ida, and Federal Polytechnic Daura, Federal College of Education, Zaria, now University of Education. So we have taught this kind of training over and over. We cannot say we are 100% perfect, but I am sure at the end of this training, you actually write a testimony on the impacts of our training in your working environment. So without taking much of our time, this is this is an overview of what you are expected to learn at the end of this course, and um, um, you should actually make your payment early so that we start the course as soon as possible without much delay. Thank you very much.